I'm here with Marc Reide. Marc Reide is an entrepreneur and CEO of renowned Australian jewellery brand Barcs. Can you just introduce yourself and tell us a bit more about Barcs?
Been with the business for 20 years now and CEO of the business now for the past 10 years. And during that time, we've shut down from a legacy manufacturing based in jewellery and really grown the business into a full accessory offer. We work with over 20, just over 20 e-commerce sites now. And obviously with COVID, like everyone's seen, there has been a big shift to e-commerce. We've experienced an over 200% growth in our e-commerce sales. We're re-platforming all of our sites, making sure that there is seamless integration within NetSuite, because e-com and especially also drop ship models are growing at an enormous rate, and it will continue to become a more important part of the business, no doubt.
If other entrepreneurs are looking for opportunities, what do you look for and what do you assess?
For me, it's about, as I talked about, the numbers obviously need to stack up, but also the barrier to entry. During COVID, we pivoted really quickly and launched into some PPE products, very heavily into PPE products. We're bringing in our own planes, chartering our own planes of PPE products. And one of the reasons why we were doing that is because the barriers to entry, obviously at that time, were huge. People couldn't get access to supplies. The freight supply chain was really broken, couldn't get access to even getting stuff into the market. So if I see that there is that real barrier to entry, for me, that's an absolute key to putting everything we've got and investing our resources and our funds behind it.
How has technology helped you grow?
I guess there's no point to technology unless it provides efficiencies. Efficiency is key to everything we do, and obviously technology, you're not going to do it unless it's going to give you some key efficiencies. We're very much a volume-based business. We'll move over 11 million units this year, so we're touching multiple data points. NetSuite ticked all the boxes for us for a system that was really going to give us the great foundation for growth and really give us that flexibility, being what we consider ourselves an entrepreneurial company, that we will sort of grow in different directions, and systems such as NetSuite able to move with us and very much have that flexibility was an absolute no-brainer for us in the end going forward. But the real pressure point was us getting access to live granular data on a daily basis. And NetSuite has been absolutely key in actually getting us key information when we need it at an instant level, so we're therefore able to make the right retail decisions, which absolutely make or break our decisions, the right planning decisions, the right promotional markdowns, the right retail intake decisions, which make or break our business. All of our reporting is standardized. So across all our brands, across all our channels, we get our weekly snaps in terms of what's working, what's not working, which customers are working, which channels are working, which product categories are working, and then we can really deep dive into the granular information. Is it price point, is it colour, is it seasonality, and really make educated retail decisions based on the data that NetSuite's able to provide us. From a morale perspective, it's been fantastic for us. Everyone was really, really engaged and bought into the rollout of NetSuite, and it's really helped during a difficult time to see the incredible changes that NetSuite is making and is going to make to our business. Has really been great from a morale perspective.
Hey, if you like this video, don't forget to comment, rate, review, and subscribe.